Hi guys, I am so happy coming your way again. I hope you all are doing well. To my return subscribers, thank you very much for the support and everything. I really appreciate you. And so if you are a new viewer on this channel, I welcome you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if it's possible. Leave a comment for me in the comment section, and I want to know you can. Thank you very much. So guys, today I am making 2 different kinds of teas with turmeric, which is also known as golden spice or hardy. Okay, and these recipes are very simple to make. It's delicious and super healthy. As I always say, this is a powerhouse. So the main ingredient that we are going to use for this recipe is turmeric, ginger, fresh or dry, cinnamon, lemon, black pepper, honey, fresh milk or plant-based milk. You can as well use dairy milk. Okay, if you have any, or if you have protein intolerance, you can use plant-based milk like unsweetened almond milk or coconut milk, and it's perfect. So guys, I want you to know that in this recipe altogether, it's a delicious one, and then it's also a powerhouse of antioxidants, antifungal, antibacterial, which is healthier by way of improving brain health, cardiovascular health, help you build strong bone, improves digestion, and lower risk of diseases. So this is the sum up of everything that I want to say. So at this point, you put all the ingredients together, and then you begin to warm it. But you have to note that this is not to boil. You don't have to bring this to boil, but it's going to be hot, not to boil. Okay, so I also want you to note this, that turmeric is not something that you can abuse. All right, you have to know the portion that you are using, the quantity. You don't have to use it in excess, use it in moderation, depending on the amount of, or the amount of milk or the water you are using. So guys, our black pepper has gone into it, our turmeric, our ginger, our cinnamon, everything has gone inside this. And at this point, you would like to stir it up. For the cinnamon, it take a bit to add, and you know, all you have to do is to stir it so that you will not burn the milk. Okay, so guys, as I usually do, I'll just go ahead and explain the benefits that you're going to gain from this recipe. But before I go ahead, I would like you to know that I am making 2 different recipes. One is for detox, and the second one will begin very soon, because we'd have to leave this to do its own thing. But note that it's not on high heat, just a medium heat is okay. So you just have to leave it, and it's going to be how you want it to be. So at this point, you see how it's looking. So since this is a short video, I have much to say, but I don't know. So this is the second part, and we are using water, honey, and lemon. Okay, so this makes up our detox tea. You can take this every morning, but watch the quantity of turmeric. It's very important. Okay, so I want to go ahead and let us know the benefits that we get from this. And I want you to know that turmeric is anti-inflammatory loaded, and it helps your body fight foreign invaders like infections and bacteria. Okay, and when we say antioxidant properties, it means that there is something that protects your cells against free radicals, and that is known as antioxidants. And this antioxidants includes enzymes and other substances. It also has vitamin E, vitamin C, it has beta carotene, and these are capable of counteracting the damaging effects of oxidation. All right, so turmeric is proven to promote the cardiovascular health and improves brain health. It improves the symptoms of depression as well, and reduces joint pain of arthritis. They also contain bioactive compounds with powerful medicinal properties. From turmeric we get curry, we get turmeric teas and pills. All right, and turmeric may help delay aging and fight age-related chronic illness. And as I said, there are other side effects of using more, that is in excess, and it can cause diarrhea or even kidney stones. That's why you have to watch the quantity or the amount that you use for the recipe. So guys, at this point I want to say something about this particular one here, the one I'm stirring. Okay, so I want you to know that this can be a daily detox tea. I do this all times. Sometimes I take about 7 days and I do this. So it depends on you, but trust me on this, it's so healthy that you don't want to miss this recipe. All right, this is very good, or you can say it's healthy for the digestive system. It helps you to eliminate toxins from your body by cleansing the liver to enable proper liver functioning. It also helps you to lose weight and boost your skin health. It rejuvenates the skin pores from within and gives you that glowing skin that you always dream of. This also helps your skin to glow. Yes, and it's also packed with antibacterial and antifungal. I have already said that already, and it's good for colds and coughs. So as the saying goes, a healthy digestion is a key to faster metabolism and weight loss. So turmeric helps to manage diabetes, and I want you to know that the curcumin in turmeric, which is the active compound, also helps to subdue the symptoms of depression. Okay, and note that ginger together with turmeric improve digestion, digestion, and it also have vitamin C, vitamin D, and calcium to build strong bones. So guys, at this point I'll say a very big thank you for visiting my channel today. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for supporting me. Your comments, your likes, share, everything I really appreciate. God richly bless you. Stay safe and be good wherever you are. Drink good water and get enough sleep. Stress not. God bless you. It's bye bye.